The easiest way to do this is get somebody else to do it. Lock up number one, I haven't put that in there. Okay, first job, you've got to grease that collar up. Okay, if you don't grease that collar up, it'll seize. That goes into the frame at the bottom. Okay, so there's the right hand front mount with our two bolts at the top, one bolt at the bottom, rubber with a nut on the back, all torqued up. Okay, there's the left hand mount, again bolt, nut on the back, nut on the back, bolt at the front, all torqued up. Okay, we have our top mount with a spacer on the left hand side, nut on the right, torqued up. This is the most difficult one. You've got the long nut going all the way through, and you've got the threaded collar on the right hand side. Now that threaded collar has to be torqued up first before you tighten the bolt up. That needs torquing to 9.8 Newton meters before you tighten the bolt up. So this one can be a bit tricky. But looking from the outside, that's what you see. Just a plain nut. When you take that nut off, that's where you insert your Allen key to tighten that collar up. Okay, so we've got it with a headstock stand under the bottom yoke, clamped to the bench. We've got our main stand fitted. Yet to grease those bolts up, but I will do. They're all torqued up. And we're strapped by the front crosspiece. So this bike can't go anywhere. Okay, you'll notice as well that I've got my piece of angle still bolted to the sump. We've got to take that off now. That's finished with. We only needed that while the bike engine was on blocks to stabilise it, stop it falling over. So now we can unbolt that. Okay, we did say in a previous video the first thing we needed to do was get this engine primed, the oil system primed, and get all the ancillaries on it. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to start with the oil cooler and move on from there. Okay.